Now I am going to teach subject EVS. Good morning children. I am not said good morning now. Subject EVS. First standard students. Means of transport. Lesson means of transport. Open page number 178. Open. All open. Okay. What you know about meaning of this lesson? Lesson name. Meaning you have to tell. Means of transport means what? You already studied in UKG and also in LKG and UKG. Both classes you have studied. No. What? You know? Means of transport. Okay. Now I am telling. Now I want to ask some questions. Okay. How you come to school? How you come to school? From home to school, how you come daily? By walking. Some are walking, some are in cars, bus, bikes, vehicles. No, these are all called vehicles. What car, bus are there? No, so these are all called vehicles. So some vehicles. How you going? Same way, no? How you going to one place to another place? You need transport. To move one place to another place, we need means of transport. We need transport. Transportation. We need transportation from going or moving from one place to another place. In means of transportation, let us see. Raju uses the bus. Raju uses the school bus to go to school. You told no already. How you coming to home from school? You told no. From bus, cars, bikes, vehicles, bicycle, etc. Now here in this chapter, Raju is a boy is coming to school by school bus. Understood? By school bus. Here figures are there. See, look at the pictures and understand very nicely. Raju uses the school bus to go to school. Rahul. Next, Rahul's father uses his car to drop Rahul to school. Some are coming to school by the school bus, and here some Rahul is a boy, another boy, means student. His father, his name is Rahul. Rahul's father used to drop his son to school. He used to car. See, Rahul's father uses his car to drop Rahul to school. Is Rahul, his father dropping, means coming to school and drop him. Understand? Some are coming, some different vehicles, no? So school bus, school car, so many are there. Next, things that we use to go to from one place to another place are called means of transport. I already told no. What is means of transport? Meaning also told. To move or going to one place to another place, we need a transport. We need some vehicles. No? So that is called means of transport. 1 second, I am going to read. Things that we use to go from one place to another place are called means of transport. Means of transport, you understood? We use something to move one place to another place, going to one place to another place. So that is called means of transport. That is called what? Means of transport. They can be used on land or in water or in air. Means of transport we are using to move one place to another place, okay? But we can move on land. On land means on terrestrial, on earth, and in air, and in water also. You can move. In means of transport, 3 types are there. In means of transport, how many types? 3 types. How many types? Three types. One is land transport, second one is water transport, third one is air transport. How many types? Three types. Three types of means of transport. Land transport, water transport, air transport. Here also they give. They can be used on land. Means land transport. Land or in water. Water transport. Air. In the air transport. There are vehicles moving in land, on land, vehicles moving on land called land transport. Vehicles move in water are called water transport. Vehicles move in air are called air transport. Examples? Some examples I am going to give. Land transport, examples car, bus, bicycle. Here one student coming to school by bus. Okay, that is one example. Here Rao's father using car. Here also one example. Some are coming from bicycle. That is also one example. Examples car, bus, bicycle, bike. So many are there. But I am given here only three examples, etc. Those vehicles move on land are called land transport. Example car, bus, bicycle, etc. And water. Come to second point. Water transport. Water transport. Vehicles moving in water are called water transport. Example ship, boat. Example ship, boat, steamer, etc. Air transport. Vehicles which are moving air are called air transport. Examples helicopter, aeroplane. Example helicopter and aeroplane. Understood? See here. What they given in book? Means of land transport. Means of land transport. So vehicles names are given here. I am going to read. Cars, buses, train, motorcycles, cycle rickshaws, auto rickshaws, bullock carts and cycles are called main means of land transport. See, cars, car picture is given here. See cars, buses, train picture in next page number 181. See train. Next cycle, rickshaw, motorcycle. See cycle, rickshaw, auto rickshaw, bus, car, motorcycle, scooter, auto rickshaw, cycle rickshaw, bullock cart, tanga, tractor, bicycle. Understood? These are some examples of land transport. Once again I am going to read. Cars, buses, train, motorcycle, cycle rickshaws, auto rickshaws, bullock carts and cycles are main means of land transport. What? Means of land transport. It is the one of the means of transport. Land transport is one of the transport of means transport. Three types. This is one type. Understood? Okay. Now turn the page. Next. Trains run away on railway tracks. How train will run away on railway track? Two tracks are there, no? See here like this. When you go into railway station, how train will move? On land only, but on the railway tracks. This is railway wheels on track. This is called what? Track. This is called track. This is called what? Track. On railway track. Train runs on. See a train runs on railway tracks laid on land. These are on land only, but trains move on track. This is track, railway track. They carry us from one city to another. They carry us from one city to another city. Train also carry people and goods. Train also carry people means out. Us. People means all. Our. All people, no? People means persons. And goods also. Goods means things. Goods means what? Goods means things. Goods means things. Goods. We call goods. Goods means things. Things also they will take, and people. From one place to another place. One city to another city. Okay, understood? This is about rail. This is about train. Train moves on a railway track. This is on land. On land only track is there. On that track it will move. It will take one place to one city to another city. People and things carries. Goods also it carries. Goods means things. Okay, understood this one? Okay. Multiple choice questions are there. See here. If you correct the answer means tick like this. If wrong answer means like this. Understood? See here. First one I am going to read. Which of the following is means of land transport? What they are? Land transport they are asking. Bus. First option. B1 boat, aeroplane. Three options they are given. Question what they are asked, which of the following means of land transportation? Example means option A bus, option B boat, option C aeroplane. What we have to do? Which is means of land transportation? Here bus. What? Here bus is there, no? So you have to take for A option B bus. Boat means wrong. B1. C aeroplane is wrong. Bus is right. Which means of transport carries people and goods? Second one. Cycle, tractor, train. They are given. Once again I am going to read question. Which means of transport carries people and goods? Option A cycle, option B tractor, option C train. Option C train. Which is right? Train. Here see. Train will carry goods and people, no? Goods means things. I already told. Train also carry people and goods. So train is correct option. Option A C wrong. Option B tractor wrong. Option C train is correct answer. Okay, finish it. Next C means of air transportation. We can travel in the sky by aeroplanes and helicopters. We can travel in air by helicopter, aeroplanes and jets, etc. We can travel in the sky by aeroplanes and helicopters. Aeroplane is faster means of transport. It is very fast means of transport. It carries us for away place in very short time. It takes very short time. Very fast means of transport, and in a very limited time, very short time, it is takes to us from one place to another place. Next, it is finished. It is finished. Now remaining what? Water transportation. Next, means of water transportation in page number next. You open 182. Open means of water transportation. Ships sails in sea. Sails means moving in a sea. A small ship is called boat. What? A small ship is called boat. Ship carries people and goods for away place. It also carries people and goods for one place to another place. For example, ship and boat. Small ship is called boat. What? Small ship is called what? Boat. Boat is called boat. Understood? This is boat. This is ship. See, this is ship. This is boat. Small ship is called boat. Okay. Oral questions. Can I ask? Now finish this lesson. Now regarding this lesson, questions I am going to ask. Which is your favorite vehicle? Which is your favorite? Some are telling bus, some are telling cars, some are telling trains, etc. What do we call small ships? Small ships are called boat. Small ships is called boat. Okay. Now take the correct answer. First one. Sorry. B1 I left no. Name the fast means of transport. Fast means of transport is aeroplane. A transportation is very faster means of transportation. This is very fast. Fast means of transportation is aeroplanes. Next, take the correct answer. We can travel in a sky by an or and dash. The given option: train, aeroplane, car. What? How you travel in a sky? Train? No. Train is moving in a land. On a land. Aeroplane? Sky no. In the sky. Car on a land. So aeroplane is option B. Fill it aeroplane. Second, vehicle that move in the sea is dash. Options: aeroplane, auto rickshaw, ship. Answer is ship. Ship move in a water. So ship. Second one. Third one. Divya's car was with a mechanic for a service. She giving for washing with the water service or any other service mechanic. So Rohan offered Divya a lift in his car. What values does Rohan shows here? What values? Punctuality, to be helpful, honesty. Here, to be helpful. Helpful to each other, giving help to his friend. Divya no, so it is helpful. To be helpful. Understood? This lesson. Next, land, fill in the blanks. Land, train, water they given. First, dash, run away, run on railway track. Which will move on a railway track? Trains. Here trains. You have to fill here trains. Rail will move on a railway tracks no. First is trains. Second, boat sails in a dash. Boat sails in a water. Where? Here. Ship is called boat. Ship carries people. Ship sails in a sea. Means water. See here examples also given. Means boat sails in a water. You have to fill second with water. Second dash. First dash fill with the train. Water. Third. Cars and buses are means of dash transport. Car and bus are means of transport. Which means of transport? Land means of transport means land. You have to fill here. Cars and buses are means of land transport. Tick. Next tick correct statement and cross the wrong ones. First one. Ship sails on the land. It is right or wrong? Ship sails in a sea no here they are given no. Water transport means ship and boat. Which vehicles move in water are called water tank. but they given what ship sails on a land. That is wrong. So first one is wrong. Second one. We travel in the sky by aeroplanes. We travel in the sky by aeroplanes. Correct? Of which most vehicles which are going to move on in the air are called what? Air transportation. Examples: aeroplane, helicopter. Aeroplane. Here what they ask, we travel in the sky by aeroplane. No? Correct. You have to put right mark. Third one. An aeroplane is slow moving vehicle. An aeroplane is slow moving vehicle. It is slow moving vehicle. No. It is faster means of transport. So it is wrong statement. So third one is wrong. First one is wrong. Second one is right. Third one is wrong statement. Understood? Next I will teach in next. Another one box is given. No, see here. Name the following. You have to name in green box they are given. In page number 183. See here. Two means of land transport you have to write. Two means of transport. Land transport. Two means car, bus, bicycle, auto rickshaw, cycle rickshaw, bullock cart. So many are there, but you have to write two. You can write bus and car. Whatever you like, you write only two means of land transport. Understood? Two means of air transport. Air transport also you write. Here I am written helicopter, aeroplane. Aeroplane or helicopter. You may write like this also. And third one, two means of water transport. You have to write two means of water transportation. Two vehicles names you have to write. Boat to ship I have written here. You may write boat to ship or other steamer, ship you can write. Your choice. Next I will teach. Next lesson. Homework means of transportation from year to year. Means of transportation. Page number 178 to 182. You read, complete it, loudly you read, and you understand very nicely. This is homework for you also. Thank you, children.